Inside this black box is dbrand's tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to put it on, and we're going to test out to see how good of a quality this screen protector is. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. It comes in this really nice black box. Alright, so we got the screen protector right in the center, and what I love about this is that when you purchase it, you're going to get 2 glass screen protectors, which is awesome. In case your first one ever gets damaged, you have a second one, or if you have multiple iPhones, then you have an extra one to share to your friend or family, which is really dope. Further inside the box, we're going to get this really nice and cool, unique squeegee. This looks really cool with a nice little triangle pattern. And then right on the right, they give us additional accessories to install that screen protector. See, right when I open those accessories, they give you these really nice looking skulls here that are basically stickers. They give you alcohol prep pads, and there's 2 obviously because you have 2 screen protectors. And this gave you this really nice sleek white microfiber cloth. Taking a closer look at the actual glass, it does have a really good amount of thickness to it, which I do like a lot. And it also has these 2 little tabs to assist with installation. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. So the first thing we wanna do is going to grab your 15 Pro Max. We're going to make sure we're going to power off. Alright, and once it's off, we're going to clean everything on top of the screen. First, going to take the alcohol prep pad. Go ahead and wipe that off. This thing is nice and moist. Then we're going to take the microfiber cloth and we're going to pass it across the phone here. Alright, so there's no dust removal sticker, so I wish they would have included that in the box. However, we want to make sure you clean off the phone as much as possible so that you hopefully don't have anything. I'm just gonna grab the squeegee here and kind of gently pass it on top of the phone just to make sure there's nothing on top of the screen. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna peel off the adhesive side with these little arrows. And there's no indication of which side is which, so it's probably gonna be the same for either side. Now, since there's no self-alignment tray, I am gonna power on the phone just to make sure I have it nice and centered. All right, now that we have it on, we're going to take the squeegee here and we're going to go from top to bottom. All right, let's go ahead and peel it off. And there we have it, guys, a nice, beautiful installation. Let's go ahead and test out the screen. Feels super, super smooth. Let's go ahead and take a quick picture here. I'm going to test out the pinch to zoom. It's really, really smooth. Definitely feels a lot better than the screen of the phone. So you're going to really like this a lot. And the thickness here is really nice as well. You can pair it up with a dbrand case as well. This is their grip case. And what's good about this is that it leaves enough room to basically be case friendly, so you can probably have this on multiple cases since it leaves enough space. So I definitely like the quality of the screen protector, and I love the fact that they give you an additional screen protector. There's one thing that I would recommend and hope dbrand would include in the future is a dust removal sticker, just to be on the safer side, because sometimes you might have lint trapped, and that does help out a lot. But as you can see here, I'm overall satisfied with it. Oh, and another thing is definitely some type of self-alignment tray would have been very nice and useful. I feel like having a packaging like this, you have a ton of space to definitely include an installation frame. So I highly recommend it. At least one, it would have made the installation a lot easier. But you do have these tabs, which does help. However, again, I would have loved to see a self-alignment tray. But overall, for the price of this, I think it's a fair value for a good quality screen protector that feels nice and does what it needs to do, which is protect it. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Firewolf out.